Revision worksheet for class 10. Now the first question is from statistics. Using the empirical formula, find the mode of the distribution whose mean is 8.32 and median is 8.05. It is given that first mean equal to 8.32 and median equal to 8.05. The empirical formula of mode equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So 3 into median, 3 into 8.05 minus 2 into 8.32. So we get 1524.15 minus 16.64. 7.51. The mode is 7.51. Question number 2. The question number 2 is Mayank made a bird bath for his garden in a shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at the end. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. The shape of bird bath is cylindrical. This is a cylinder and a hemispherical depression like this. This is the hemispherical depression. The 1.45 meter is long. This is 1.45 meter long and the radius is 30 centimeter. This is the 30 centimeter. Okay. Find the total surface area. Check the height of cylinder 1.45 meter. Okay, and radius of cylinder and hemisphere equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so we can write 1.45 meter means 145 centimeter. Okay, now the total surface area of bird bath equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of हेमिस्फीयर. दो सरफेस एक सिलेंडर की और एक हेमिस्फीयर की. The CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and the CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Take 2 pi R common, H plus R. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 30 in bracket 145 plus 30. H is 145, radius 30. Now solve. 2 into 22 into 30 into 175 by 7. Okay. Now cancel by 7. 25. Okay. 50. It is equal to the 33,000 cubic centimeter or the 3.3 meter. Sorry, square centimeter, 3.3 square meter. This is the total surface area of bird bath. A boy is standing on a horizontal plane, finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meter from him at an elevation of 30 degree. A girl is standing on the roof of 20 meter high building. Find the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree. Both the boy and the girl are on the opposite sides of the bird. Find the distance the bird from the girl. Given that root 2 equal to 1.414. First make a figure. Okay. Suppose a bird is flying at this height. This is a plane. The boy and girl are on the opposite side. The boy is standing here and make an angle of 30 degree to the bird and a 100 meter apart. from the boy. Okay, suppose point O, this is the bird B. The girl is standing on a roof of 20 meter high. Okay, 20 meter high building पर है, ये bird यहाँ से, and makes an angle of 45 degree. Okay, the girl makes an angle of 45 degree elevation. This is the point. PQ is the girl. Okay, building. PQ is a building. A girl is standing at P. This point is AM. This AM is also 20 meter. Okay, suppose this is the X meter distance. Okay, this is also X meter. So we have to find the distance of BP. पूछा गया हमसे कि both the boys and the girls are opposite side of the bird. Find the distance of bird from the girl. We have to find the distance BP. Okay. Now write. Angle AOB equal to 30 degree. AOB equal to 30 degree. Okay. And angle BPM equal to 45 degree. Okay. In triangle AOB, sin 30 degree equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means AB by OB. It is equal to the 1 by 2. AB find करना है. OB is 100. Okay, by cross multiply we get AB equal to 50 meter. If AB equal to 50, whole is 50 meter. Yeah. Then BM equal to AB minus AM. It is 50 minus 20, 30 meter. Okay. अब in triangle BMP, sin 45 degree equal to, the perpendicular is BM and hypotenuse is BP. Actually हमको BP ही find करना है. तो sin 45 1 by root 2, BM is 50 upon 15 is 30, 50 minus 20, 30 by BP. It means BP equal to 30 root 2 meter. Hence the distance of bird from girl is 30 root 2 meter. The question number 4 is from construction. Draw a line segment AB 7 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. And taking B as the center, draw another circle of radius 2 cm. Construct tangent to each circle with the center of the other circle. Rough figure. Draw a line segment of 7 cm. Suppose a line centimeter AB 7. Take A as a center. Draw as a circle of radius 3 cm. Take this 3 cm. And from 2 cm. This is a circle of 2 cm radius. Now draw the tangents from A to this circle and B to this. The first perpendicular bisect the line AB. Perpendicular bisect the line AB from here and join this. Suppose this is the new center and take this radius and make a new circle. Okay. These are the point of contacts 1, 2, 3 and 4 and join B. Here are the two tangents. Similarly from A, this is the rough figure of this construction. Now let us see how it is constructed. Question number 5 from the chapter circles. The common tangents AB and CD of two circles with center O1 and O2 intersect at point E. Prove that AB equal to CD. Very easy question. We know that the tangents from the external points are always equal to each other. AE equal to CE and DE equal to BE. We can write here AE equal to CE. Okay, AE equal to CE and BE equal to DE. Tangents from external points. Tangents from external point. Always equal to each other. Okay, this is the 1 and this is 2. Adding 1 and 2. Very simple question. We get AE plus BE equal to C plus DE. It means AB equal to CD. Hence proved. Simple question. Question number 6. Show that the sum of first n even natural numbers is equal to the 1 plus 1 by n times the sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Suppose S1 is equal to sum of n even natural numbers. Okay, that even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6, etc. So S1 equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 2n. Okay, now the formula n by 2, 2a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into difference is also 2. So we get n by 2, 4 plus 2n minus 2. N by 2, 2 plus 2n. Take 2 common and cancel, we get n plus 1. Okay. Next, S2 be the sum of first n natural numbers. N odd numbers, odd natural numbers. Now the formula S2 equal to n numbers. The first term is 1, then n minus 1 into 2. Difference is 2 in odd numbers. We get n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 cancel, 2n minus 2. 2 से 2 cancel, it is n square. Now S1 is equal to n into n plus 1. Okay, and S2 is given that n square. तो हमको प्रूव करना है. तब S2 का n square 1 whole 1 by n into S2. ये इतने टाइम से हमको प्रूव करना है S1 के. तो नाउ प्रूव n plus 1 by n into n square. Now cancel by n, we get n into n plus 1, which is equal to the S1. Sum of even numbers is equal to the 1 plus 1 by n times of odd numbers. Okay. And the last question from quadratic equation, time and days. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by the B to finish the work. A takes 6 days less than the time taken to B. Let the number of days taken by B to finish work. Okay, to finish work equal to X. Then number of days taken by A by A to finish the work is x minus 6. Okay, number of days taken by both A and B, taken by A and B together, इक्वल टू 4. 4 दिन में वो दोनों खत्म कर देते हैं. बी को जो है वो 6, ए को 6 दिन कम लगते हैं बी से. अब इसका 1 दिन का काम हम लोग इक्वेशन बनाते हैं. इज 1 day वर्क प्लस बीज 1 day वर्क इक्वल टू 1 day's work. 1 day's work of A and B. According to this, 1 upon x minus 6, 1 upon x equal to 1 by 4. Now solve this quadratic equation. X plus x minus 6 equal to 1 by 4. 2x, 2 into 8x minus 24 equal to x square minus 6x. Okay, now simplify. So we get x square minus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Now break the middle term. 12 into 2, 24. Take x common. 2 into the factorization of this x minus 12 and x minus 2. X equal to 12 or 2. तो 2 is not possible. 2 not possible क्योंकि बहुत कम टाइम है, 2 दिन में नहीं हो सकता. कि 2 दिन से 6 दिन कम कैसे होंगे. तो इसीलिए नंबर ऑफ डेज टेकन बाई बी इज इक्वल टू 12. Okay, number of days taken by the B to finish the work is 12 days.